it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all my finished jewelry that I made for the Bargain Bead box of March 2023 Art Deco Luxe. I still have the one strand of the faceted agate beads. I still haven't used them. And I think the filigree pendant I still haven't used. But everything else I've used. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I have a few of the green beads left and a few pearl beads, yeah. And I didn't use the filigree yet or these beautiful beads right here. But you know they will show up in something. So we're going to start out with, and I have two tutorials for this month's box. I'll show you those. But these are my pair of earrings. I love the way these turned out. This black onyx was so pretty. And I wanted to do something a little more elegant. So I thought I'd use the pearl beads and the faceted rondelles. And then I just used my own ear wires. And I used an eye pin. And then that way, kind of get the double dangle there. So I love the way these turned out. Then I did these earrings, kind of the same. I think these turned out really pretty. I used the agate, the pearl, and then the rondelle, faceted rondelle, and then these beautiful gold filigrees. I think these turned out really pretty too. This box was fun. I'm not the biggest green person, so it was kind of, but I was able to make jewelry out of it, you know, and I thought they turned out really pretty. Then I did, let me see, I'll show you the necklace first. Then I did this beautiful necklace here, and I just used the chain, and I dangled these, put these in there, and then I just took eye pins, and I connected them. This is, you know, I just thought this was a fun necklace, because this could be something that you could dress up something or dress down. And then I made these earrings to go with it. Here, I'll show you first up close. And I took one of my gold bead spacers and I put them there just kind of at the bottom. But yeah, so this is one set that I made. And I really love the way this turned out. Just a lobster clasp. And I think the chain, if I'm not mistaken, let me measure it. It was a little, it was 1.5 inches for the chain. So what I did was I just cut these into 3-inch strands, and then I attached it both ends there, and then I just moved it down to the middle and attached it there. So, and then I just put these on the eye pins, and I did use one of my little gold 11.0 Miyuki seed beads for a little spacer. I ran out of their spacers because of course I used them all. So I had that. Then this was my first tutorial, and I love the way this turned out. It's got a different look to it. Hold on, let me move all of these to the side a little bit. I love the way this turned out. It's kind of like an artsy look. I've got this dangling from it, the beautiful black onyx, and then I have this long strand, and then it's got 2 attachments up here at the top. I think I'm going to keep this for myself because and like I said, I'm not the biggest green person, but I love the way this turned out. When I tried it on, I just think it looks so pretty. So, and in this one, I used the chevron beads, and I used the teal green beads, but I didn't use any of the other greens because I wanted just one kind of green in this. But in the other one that I made, I mixed both the greens together. So, because I just wanted a couple different color palettes in this. So, yeah, so I did this, and then I put the agate beads in there and everything. And then I used the toggle clasp up here at the top, and I used a couple of my gold Miyuki seed beads and I think everything else was from there. Yeah, I used a couple of my gold seed beads there too, but everything else was from this box, and I will leave the link below to this tutorial. So I have this one, and then my last one is my latest tutorial, and that's this one. I think this turned out so pretty too. And this was, I took the chain, and in the video, it's pretty funny. I got a couple of funny comments from you guys saying, I'm glad I'm not the only one that gets in fights with chain. I like to keep in everything in my videos because I look at everything in a funny way. So, because to me, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at, right? So, so yeah, so I wanted to use these, instead of using these in earrings, I wanted to do something a little different. And yeah, I had the gold chain. I just had 2 pieces, and I intertwined them there and then dangled them down. I twisted that through, as you could see in the video. I'll post the link below to this tutorial. And then I attached this one, and then I just randomly attached these down there. And then I attached a little bit of chain right there, and it ended up connecting this to this. And then these are just eye pins attached. This is on an eye pin, this agate bead, and then the gold lobster clasp. So I have this. I have these. Let me turn this a little bit so you can see it. I have those. I have those. I have these earrings. Yeah, I turned out to be really happy with this box. And what's surprising is I always add other colors to boxes usually because I think, oh, this would be really pretty, but I want to add this instead. And I didn't end up doing that with this box. So I think that was a first for me, using this box. So I have that, and then got these 2 earrings, and then this. So, yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this, and what you thought about this month's box. I know I got an email saying they already shipped the next box, so it should be interesting because we've had purple already, we've had blue, and now we've had green. So I'm interested to see what's going to be next. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave the tutorial to this link below and to this one below. And I have all my social media below if you want to follow me. I have my Etsy store, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Pinterest. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you on my next video. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.